Pelican Catch HD 130. Down to the motor guide, 46-pound thrust, Pro Series, bow mount, trolling motor. I simply used hockey skate lace and ran it through the holes there and through the handle, and then bolted the 2x4 there and a 2x4 there. And I used hockey lace again into the pad eyes on both sides. I took a bolt and screwed it in to a 2x4 and ran the lace really tight on there. I used a milk crate and I cut out this section right there for this to rest. It doesn't really need to rest, but I did it. It rests there. Just it gives me a little more room here for my pedals, for my paddle drive, and for where my seat is. Pedals, I haven't really decided where I'm going to mount that yet, but this is fully removable pretty fast. Yank these, yank those, and yank one there. 3 cords, 3 laces, whatever you want to call it, that hold this entire thing on. Milk crate, I use that for all kinds of different things. I had one on the back too. I still plan on painting them. Everything's kind of like mismatched, different colors, but eventually I'll trim up that wood and paint the milk crate, mount the pedal. I'm not sure what I want to do. I don't know if I want to mount it up like this somehow, you know, and have it like that next to my paddle drive and just use one foot, or if I want to mount it to my paddle drive and use it with both feet. We'll have to test it and see what I feel is more comfortable. But that's the Pelican Catch 130 HD. Oh, another thing I did is I added a clamp. So this way here, when you're pulling and you're sitting, it's more or less pulling this way when you're sitting on a kayak. It takes a lot more effort to pull that pin because it's like at a 90-degree angle. But if you add this thing on the shaft, it's actually kind of pulling straight up on that pin, and I find it's easier to pull it up and deploy it. So we'll find out how it works on the water. But that's it. Here, we'll put it up right now. It's kind of hard to do